Well, hello. This is Motivational Monday with Milton, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the 168 hours. Folks, this is really our life. This is the breakdown of our life and how we live our lives day in and day out, week in and week out, year in and year out. Our life breaks down in primarily three major areas. The first area is sleep. Let's say that you sleep 8 hours a day times 7 days a week. That's 56. So 1/3 of our life we spend asleep. It's important to get good rest. It's important to get the proper amount of sleep. The next area of our life breaks down to a place called work, where we spend some 65% of our life, some experts say. If you think about the amount of time we spend at work, the amount of time we spend commuting to work, the amount of time we spend thinking about work at home, the amount of time we actually take work home and do. Just think about how much all-consuming work is in our lives. And the last area of our life is what we call our time, where we can do the things we want. Well, that's TV, sports, recreations, hobby, loved ones, reading, music, whatever it is you enjoy doing. But here's the most important thing I'm going to leave you with today. You should guard your 168 hours. You don't get rollover minutes, you don't get rollover hours, you don't get a chance to redo it again. This is it. You have 168 hours per week to make a difference and accomplish the things that you so desire in your life. Hey, this has been Motivational Monday with Milton, and go out and have a fantastic week.